What's going on, guys? It's GVE Mike. Today's vlog, man, we're gonna keep it really short and simple. Today I'm at Coldwater Canyon Park. It's a pretty chill area. I'll show you some B-roll. There's people here walking around the track. You could see a fire waterfall right here next to me. The sun is on me right now. I need a lot of vitamins on me this year just because it's been a crazy start of the year. Man, I don't know about you guys, but 2026 for me has just been really energetic to start off the year, which I guess is a good thing. I feel like I've gotten project after project after project, a lot of things that I could be working on with my videography and my film, trying to get into the documentary space. But you know what, man? I don't know about you guys, but it's given me some anxiety. And to be honest, anxiety is one of those things that it kind of gives you paralysis when it comes to creating projects or even doing music. For anybody in the creative space, you know what I'm talking about. It gets real tough sometimes. But you know what it's forcing me to do? It's forcing me to sit down and really think about what is resonating with me, what makes the most sense for me. And I just wanted to share that with you guys. I wanted to ask y'all, are you going through the same stuff in 2026? It's only really been a couple weeks into this year, but man, let me tell you, I'm feeling it. For me, guys, in my videography and my film career, like I said, I want to try to shoot 2 to 3 docs this year, whether they're short docs, like one-day docs, or some that take the whole year to film. I want to get 2 to 3 done. Some of you guys know that I make music. I want to get at least 5 to 6 songs done and music videos shot. Now that I got this camera and everything and I'm learning film, I need to start shooting my own music videos. I want to get 5 to 6 songs recorded, fully released, and music videos shot. So that's going to be a great one. Other than that, man, I want to just start helping shoot other people's stuff too. I want to get a vlog done every single month. If I can get a vlog done every month, I feel like I'll hit my goal, just talking to people and creating some content. What do you guys want to create this year? Guys, drop a comment. Let me know what you guys want to try to finish as a creative. Let me know what you guys want to try to film, create when it comes to songs, clothing. Like, what is it that you do and how do you want to get it done? How many do you want to get done? What are your goals for 2026 creatively? If you're here at the end of the video, I really appreciate you guys. If there's one thing that you hopefully take away from this video, is that don't give up on yourself. Don't give up on your goals. Continue to create at all costs. This is one of those moments in life where you can create something, start somewhere fresh, YouTube channel, music, whatever, and get back into everything. Find that passion, find that love. I know you can. Other than that, guys, I appreciate you guys for watching these videos. If you like these vibey sit down and talk videos, I've done a couple. Let me know, man. I'll keep dropping them. I just want to check in with y'all. And yeah, man, I'm out, man. I'm done yapping on this one. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out.